Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to configure alarms in Siemens PCS7. Well, alarms are the critical part of any DCS or process control system. So I will give you a demo in the start. Whenever I set this memory bit 10.0 high, well, the color of this box has changed and I have triggered an alarm with this bit. So in the status bar you can see that I have an alarm appeared and the temperature has risen. So if you go to the logs of the alarm, you can see that the alarm has been displayed here as well, and here are some settings of the alarm. So at the end of the video you will be able to make such configurations on your own. So follow me through the process. I will deactivate the project and will go to the Siemens Manager first. In the Siemens Manager I will make some logic, and then I will make some changes in the tag management and in the alarm logging section, and then I will run the project and will give you the demonstration. So I go to the Siemens Manager. Over here I have an S7300 PLC installed, and OB1 is the main logic. Over here I will insert a new network. M10.1 is the memory bit of the PLC CPU memory, and whenever M10.1 is set high, I will set M11.1 high. So this is a very simple logic. I will save it. Well, in the symbol table you can give it a name if you wish so. This is, for example, temperature switch M10.1, and this is temperature alarm M11.1. So I have saved the symbol table, and the symbols have appeared in the OB1 as well. I will save it and I will download the logic to the PLC. And I will be using the simulator, right? After having made the logic, I'll go to the WinCC to establish the link between the PLC and the WinCC. I will go to the tag management. Over here I have already made a connection, but let me do it again. From the Siemens Manager I will open my WinCC project. In the tag management section, if you didn't make a connection initially, as I did, I will delete it. First I will delete it, and then I will remake it so that you can understand, you guys can understand. Add new driver, Siemens PCS7 protocol, and over here I will go to the new connection, and here I will set some connection parameters. If you look at the hardware configuration of my PLC CPU, in the rack it is in the 0th rack and 2nd slot. So I will enter these settings in the connection parameter of my Siemens PCS7 protocol suite. So the station address is 2 and rack number is 0. So click OK. Now to show whether the connection has been established or not, I will run the project. But before running the project, let me enter the tag of my CPU, the CPU logic, that is M10.1 and M11.1. For example, I will enter this M11.1 only, right? You can enter as many as tags as you want, but for the example or for instance, I will be inserting this one only, M11.1. I will name it as temp alarm or temp high, for example. Well, the data type is binary, simple. The connection is new connection 1. This connection name must match with this one. And address is important. So since it's memory bit, it is 11.1. I will click OK. Now I have successfully entered the tag into the tag management section. I will close it and I will run my project. Well, the project has been successfully activated. To show you guys the status of the connection, I'll go to the tag management section, and over here you can see this green tick. That means the connection has been successfully established. Now I'll go to the alarm logging section. Now I will open alarm logging section, and over here under the alarm category, I will enter any number. The message tag well, I'll go for the temp high tag that I entered in the tag management section, and I will apply it. Click OK. Well, for easiness, you can make the settings over here as well. Then I will go to this, the source of the alarm, right? So whatever the source of the alarm is, I will write over here. It's up to the user, right? Area is, for example, burning area. Event is temperature has risen. Batch name, example. Operation, for example, pyro process. So I have made these custom settings. Then I will cancel it and we'll go to the runtime. Once again, for the changes to take effect, I have to deactivate the project as far as the changes are concerned with the alarm logging. Well, it might take some time, so please be patient and bear with me. I'll reactivate the project and we'll look at the alarms, whether they are being triggered or not. Whenever I set M11.0 or 11.1 to high, I will observe it. I will activate the project. Well, the project has been activated. Let me go to the simulator section, and 10.1, I will trigger 10.1, and the logic will automatically set the 11.1, since I have made logic like that in the OB1. And after the alarm has been triggered, you can see that this is the date and time, example source, temperature has risen, the event name, and if you go to the alarm logging section over here, you can see that all those settings we made have been appeared here. So this is the basic alarm, the digital alarms configuration and setting, and hope you would have understand the process. So if you have any question about it, you can ask me in the comment section. In the other videos or the upcoming videos, I will try to make some videos about the other settings of Siemens PCS7, such as horn configuration, tag logging, trend generation, and even more settings in the alarm logging. So if you want me to do that, do comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.